Daddy, here's. Go in there and get the other one that's not his. Ready? What is it? Turn it around. Turn it around. 1, 2, 3. What is that? What is it?
Cool.
It's pirates? Do you like pirates?
Yeah.
How much do you like pirates?
Good reason.
Can you look in here and say thank you?
Thank you.
Wow.
What's that?
What is that? An earring. Very good, Chase. Eye patch.
Ooh, look, it's got bullets.
What is that? What is it? What is it, Chase?
It's a gun. There.
He said eye patch and he said earring.
Let me show you.
Don't shoot your sister.
There's the trigger.
Oh.
Put it in there. Oh, the hook.
Whoa. This is from a real place that everywhere it's pirates. It's all pirate stuff. It's from Treasure Island. Arr. What was that again? Do it again. Do it again. You're so funny. What's that? With a gun? Don't shoot me, don't shoot me. Don't shoot, don't shoot. How does it work? Don't shoot me. You don't shoot people. Are you happy? It's all pirate stuff. Go ask Daddy. Say, Daddy, how do you do it? Daddy, Chase needs you to show him. I think you pull that back.
That one?
No, this. I think you pull this back. How do you do it, Daddy?
Pull it back. Don't turn it.
Don't
Just pull
turn
it
it.
straight back like this. Watch. Put the bullet in. And you...
Don't shoot
Mommy.
my face.
Shoot the wall. Whoa.
Whoa. Say bye-bye. Say thank you. Say thank you.
Sticks. It's like a wall.
Do you like
Maybe.
pirates? What a cool gift. Wow.